Hey there, so today we're going to be doing all things gift wrapping. I'm going to show you some really cool ways to take your gift wrapping up a notch for the holidays. Okay, so we're back and we're going to be doing, this is like a peppermint, I guess candy cane looking wrapping paper. Sometimes when you're at the end of your roll, you don't have enough it feels like you don't have enough paper. Like it doesn't reach over completely and you kind of have like a bald spot then on your wrapping. Can't do that obviously. Super easy fix. Instead of keeping the box this way, turn the box this way, a diamond shape, okay, instead. And you're gonna wrap it a little bit differently, it's a little more complicated, but it does work really well. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it over, okay? Just like that. Smooth out the edges as much as possible, okay? Then you're gonna take this piece right here, you're gonna fold it a little bit, okay? And you're gonna lift this end all the way over, okay? Let's do that. Just grab a piece of tape here. Usually use the tape to like weight it down. It's easier, but go like that. Okay. And then, you know what? I'm just gonna secure it a little bit better on this side. And I'm gonna secure it better on this side. I like to use that super clear transparent tape so you don't actually see it. Okay, so the next thing is you're gonna do the same exact thing. So I'll try to show you from this angle over here. Fold it in as much as you can and then lift the paper up, okay? Lift and then pull as much as you can over this way. Smoothing it out so the box looks super nice. Smooth out the fold there, hold it. Try to use your tape dispenser again if you can to weight it down. That's my preference, doesn't have to be yours. I also use the tape dispenser that's on here normally, and I also use one of the hand ones. Kind of have them all. So this is today's preference. So next thing you're gonna do is that last piece here, you start to kind of manipulate it a little bit to fold up, okay? And then see this end's gotta come in to fold down, okay? So see if you can kind of do it at the same exact time. You should have something that looks like this, okay? You can do that. Now, you don't want this to show, and you definitely don't want that to kind of look like that. So we could do one of two things. You can kind of make it a little more of a point, but I think that's going to be a little bit of a pain, so you want to make it look nice. So I'm going to fold it off here, just like that, okay? That'll be the last seam that you see. Weight it down, get that tape going, okay? All right, and make sure we got all the tape here at the ends. Make it look as nice as possible. Push down. So the box should then look like this. This will be the bottom of the box. So keep that in mind when you're wrapping it. Put the top down, and then this when you're folding it up, this will be the very bottom of it. So we have a box that looks like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna do some green ribbon, just for contrast. Okay. The holiday colors here, right? Okay. Now, we can do just the one wrapping. Okay, the one side here. Like I said. Okay, just one ribbon. We don't have to do both sides of it. You can definitely do that, and I can show you that as well. But we're gonna start with this, and I'm gonna just make a bow. Really simple, pretty bow. Okay, just make it nice and tight here, just like that. You're gonna have, of course, the leftover, which we'll cut here at the end. But actually, I'll do this one now. I like to cut straight. You can cut the V if you like, whichever one you prefer. Okay, and then I love to use these clear plastic Christmas balls, okay? Because you lift this part off, this comes off, okay? And then in here, you could put a little note with the to and from, okay? Or you could put a little holiday message if you want in here. It's, again, kind of like getting two gifts in one. You're getting a ornament, and you're also getting a really nice decoration for your gift wrap. So you're gonna put it here. You can use the ribbon that you already have for it. You can tie a smaller one if you want around it. I'm just gonna use this since I'm here and I have it. But again, you would put this on. You would tie another little knot with it. This way it stays in place. Put the two in the front. We're gonna cut this. Okay, and just like that. Also, if you want to, you can add stuff inside of here, like some glitter, you could do glitter glue, you could do fake snow, whatever you want. And you can also write with like a marker, the paint markers, gold, silver, whatever would match here, and you can write the to and from on the ball itself with a little message. So that kind of works really cute as well, whatever you prefer, but there's this package. Here you go. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the same box that we just used, but we're gonna try a different type of wrapping. Same rope twine from earlier, okay? And again, you can do whatever style, whatever pattern, different colors, whatever kind of matches. This year, my tree colors, we have a couple different trees in the house, but I'm keeping it buffalo, like Farmhouse, that plaid, black and white check for one, and then this candy cane design for the other, okay? So we're going to do the same thing that we just did a minute ago here. Cut the rope twine. Okay, go like this. We're gonna tie it up here. A nice little knot, just let it go. And then I bought these, and you can get these at any craft store. Dollar Tree has them. I actually ended up buying at Dollar Tree. They come with a little clothespin on the back, and you would just put them on here with the person's name. You buy a chalk pen or chalk marker, and then you would write to and from right on there. You could just write their name, and it would be a cute little decoration that way. And then we'll just cut a little bit more off, kind of make it look cool. Okay, and you end up with that. All right, guys, so next up is just the solid color paper. We're just doing a silver. I really love solid paper because it lets you really go creative with the ribbons and with the additional like decorations that you add on it. Sky's the limit. We're gonna start by wrapping this box. Okay, small box. Okay, as we did before, and again, I like to use this because I like the weighting of it. It helps to hold down paper. And again, move the box over to one side as much as you can. About the first third of the paper. And we're gonna fold it down. We're gonna fold this end down here, just like we did before in the first box. Okay. Then you're gonna take the tape, put it down. Okay. We're gonna fold the ends. We'll do the same type of folding here on the ends, where you fold in the middle. You're gonna need to kind of fold that part over, push that part down, this part up, and it should be super neat and perfect. Okay. The first side is always the hardest because you can't lay this part down to fold it, but now so much easier once you have the first side done. Okay, then you fold, and then we're gonna have to fold that, and then down, and then done. See, perfect. Okay. When you wrap, I find it a lot easier if you have everything in front of you. You know, it goes a lot faster. Okay, so there's this box right here. Okay, so now this time I got some gold contrasting ribbons. So some silver and gold. You can shimmer. Again, the ribbon you can get anywhere. You can buy it in any craft or supply store. This one again is from Dollar Tree. They really have some nice stuff that you can use for decorating. So we're gonna tie the one side, okay? And I'm gonna make two, let me see. I can make two sides here with the bow. Yep, okay. You're gonna fold it over and make a nice little bow, okay? And pull as much as you can, okay? Okay, fluff up that ribbon, make it look really pretty. You don't want it to get all yucky and flattened out. All right, pull that out. And one side's always a little bit longer than the other, so we're just gonna trim it. Make it super pretty here. Okay, yep, so see, we have that, right? Then, push that down. I like to add little, like the little leaves and the little berries and whatever in here. So you can always just kind of stick it inside here. If you made a knot, you should be able to put it right into the looping in here. If not, you can always take a piece of tape on the bottom part of it and just tape it down at the end and go like that. You can also, before you tie your bow, you can put that down and tie it, the bow around the piece so it secures it as well. But there you go. Here's another pretty wrapping. I hope you enjoyed the gift wrapping tutorial today, and happy wrapping. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this and all things lifestyle, beauty, travel, and more, please be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking that little button below.